Azikho-ke izindaba ezimnandi njengalezi zindaba lezi ezingena ngama-voice note ngoba uyayibona leyo ngivele ngiyihlelele ibe ne-special place yayo kwi-diary yabo ivele i-allocate isikhathi sayo esi-special kuthi mase kushona ilanga abantu sebelele sekuthe cwe nasemnyango sekucima ogesi bese ngivele ngiyopressa lela button elithi tofo lithi play lalela ngisendele indaba yakho nge-voice note 071 941 9417 071 941 9417 right ziyashisa futhi uyabona uThinda engazi ukuthi ziyashoda indaba engizithola kuThinda ayibo lethani izindaba zakaThinda ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ziyashisa zinothi zimnandi lalela it's a story time sondela kimi baby unekhaya kum.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona esihambela likude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Don't forget to drink water. It's story time. Sanibonani igama uZandi sibonga umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kaluwelwa ngiza nendaba wena uzanani uza nje nohleko lakho uze necomment yakho uze no like wakho uze no share wakho uze no subscribe wakho uma ukuthi uyaqala ukungibona ke yimi ke lo ngifikile ngingenile ngigalelekile khlakasha nendaba iyashisa namhlanje and ise follow up uzoyithanda kakhulu ngoba ise follow up uma ukuthi awazi ukuthi biqale kephi ngizowafaka ama link la ukuthi biqale kephi kodwa kubalekile ukuthi njengamanje let's make this channel grow bigger and better ukuze sihlele sibonelalela YouTube is a business entity. They are here, they exist to make a profit. Uma ngabe i-channel yakho ingabenzeli i-profit, which means if i-channel yakho is not attracting ama-advertisers, the only way to attract ama-advertisers is ukuthi wena ubuka ama-advert. Hence kuyokwenza ngelinye ilanga ukuthi uyavuka ngelinye ilanga vumbo channel yami is gone because when I wabuka ama-adverts. Please support the channel growth by watching all the adverts that pop up. If ukuthi uyanqena ukubuka ama-adverts uvele ungiphe nje ama-super thanks noma uvele ujoin ama-channel memberships, it's another way of helping this channel ukuthi ikhule ibe ngcono. Kanti-ke okunye ongakwenza ukuthi nje uvele uthenge i-premium membership, it's only 99 rand. Uyabona uma unaleyo YouTube premium membership, leyo premium membership it helps you ukuthi ubuke anything and everything ku YouTube without being disturbed by ama-adverts because wena you become an exclusive mbukeli waka YouTube. Yenza kanjalo ke ngoba I think that's the best thing to do. Nami ngenza lokho ngoba mangabe ngibukena noma yini engiyithandayo ku YouTube, whether I'm playing music, whether I'm watching ama podcast, whether I'm watching ama short stories and short whatever esizibukayo la ku YouTube ezimnandi zisithokozisayo, angifuni ukuphazamiseka. And ke if kuukuthi you are looking for umsebenzi, I'm gonna drop down a link for you to join Bob Rewards because they've got a dream team that works with USLC. They will help you become a Rika agent, urikela abantu badayisele ama-starter packs, and ezibanikeza ama-starter packs each and every time befaki airtime noma data, you've got 20% in that. Ngiyakuplaka na indaba uthi wemalwandle tshela mina uthi udadewethu uthini into yomlisa ingakanani umuntu wesilisa wayo wakephi. Hayi lalela ngisho kuthiwa ziyafana umanasi uyabona lo abhuti akhuluma ngaye nami ngiyamazi ngisuka khona uthi nami ngiyamazi ngisuka khona uthi malwandle mina ke ngangena nje kuthinda ngangifuna ukuyobona abantu abafresh ke ngiphume nje kulabo bhuti bethu abahlukumeza mhlambe nami ngangicabanga ukuthi khona into engcono engizoyithola kuthinda ngoba phela uThinda uke wa hot yabo uThinda uke wa hot uke wanconywa abantu bawutholile umshado uThinda abantu balitholile i-soft life kuThinda. So nami I wanted to try ukuthi kanti abantu bezwani kuThinda. Hayi nami ngayi create profile ngaswipe left right qinqing it's a match. Uthi lalela malwandle ngisho kuthiwa izinto ziyafana. Lo muntu lo sisi akhuluma ngayo ukuthi wasukuma waphuma wabaleka exakwe yitoto. Uthi lo muntu ngiyamazi mncwe kodwa ke lalela istory mina angizela naso. One, wathi he is Kenyan kodwa ubaba wakhe is Congolese, so okuwukuthi kahle kahle vele uyiCongolese kodwa ke nobuKenyani bukhona somewhere kena. That is why he mostly looks like Kenyans and doesn't look most like Congolese, because uthi uma wakhe owase Kenya, ubaba wakhe owase Congo. Uthi mangabe chaza uthi wakhulela eKenya and then for some time ekukhuleni kwakhe waseyahamba wawuhlala eUS. Uthi uma eshoke udadewethu lo osesinikeza follow up story uthi uma efika eUS wafunda nje ukuthi ke wanalenhlanhla yokuthi umzimba wakhe uthe kuyimude uyislender and unobuso obuhle and uyabukeka yena vele ubhuti wakho namuhle uyabukeka ucute yilezi ezicute yabo. Uthi wasefika eba nenhlanhla ukuthola ama modeling jobs njengoba nje enama pictures aka Speedo lapha la ma pictures aka Speedo. Uthi wayeyi-ambassador yase Speedo up until a certain time whereby uma ngabe esho ukuthi babethatha according to certain ages, so yena he outgrew the age yokuba i-ambassador. Kusho ukuthi kuleyo category ke kwaukuthi iyaphela leyo contract and uthi mangabe esho ke kwahamba nje nomsebenzi we-modeling wawubona ukuthi hayi it's not a real job, uyakhula mose kufanele athole something ethe ukuba serious ethe ukuba hectic. Uthi ngambuza ke mina ukuthi mangabe uthola into ethe ukuba serious nento ethe ukuba hectic wenzani. Uthi njengoba waso Congo nje ngithi siyazi Congo ukuthi they are rich, a country rich with minerals, gold, whatever. Uthi ebekade gold trader, exchanger, something like that. Kodwa ukuthi ngesizulu yena ulanda igolide eli raw le ngakubo babakho uyamthumelela wherever country, whether use US, whether use South Africa, whether ukephi uyababa wakho uyalithumela leyo country ngendlela lelo golide nezinto lezo ama minerals akhona lapha eCongo amthumelele wona ngendlela amthumelela ngawo. Uthi unawo ama-clients, amanye ama-clients wakha overseas, uthi unawo nama-clients nala, uthi iloyo nto nje. Kodwa uma echaza isitori sakhona ngazo ukuthi kusho ukuthi into eyenzeka e-black market ngoba phela ekugcineni kosuku ikhona indlela yokumba igolide ngendlela e-right, ulihambise ngendlela e-right. So mina uthi that's the story angitshela sona ukuthi wayeyimodel vele njengoba emuhle nje emikahle emuhle cute enanama pictures zonke sawabona umnax awabona nami ngawabona aka Speedo. Uthi at the time waye ambassador aka Speedo ethatha those pictures kodwa ke manje useyazisebenza is self employed. Uthi weMalwandle yazi ukuthi umnax akayichazanga kahle le ndaba ithi Malwandle ngichazele ukuthi into yalo muntu injani before sichaze into yalo muntu wangiskema ke asiqale ngale ukuskema ngoba umnax lo waya oprevious abange sasitshela ukuthi njengoba wathiwa akabhukhe ngemali yakhe nje iyabuya yini imali yakhe esebalekile ke baleka into yendlovu, uphondo lwendlovu lo uphondo likaBhejano lamxaka wabaleka wakhumbula yini ukuthi kambe umjisa lo uyamkoloda phela ngoba ngithi wayethi akabhukhe ngemali yakhe akabange sashoke. Kodwa ke lalela ukuthi uthi wamskema kanjani lo. Uthi njengoba athi uyi-trader kwantontontoni yamagolide lawo uthi wathi umefika kumina ke I was on another city mangihlangana naye sakhuluma nje saxoxa kwamnandi yaflow lento yabo umjolo lento yaba relationship lento up to a point whereby si decide ukuthi sibonana kanjani, and he offered ukuthi yena uzothatha iflight ngoba mina was in a different city. Uthi wathatha iflight wasuka eGoli umlisa meka suke eGoli uza kumina wathi yena uzozibhukhela iflight, I must not worry. So mina ukuze siye 50-50 mina mangithole indawo ngibhukhe, it doesn't mind whether even if it's a cheap place, it's okay, as long as nje sizobonana and then the rest siyobona ukuthi simove kanjani forward. Uthi hey Malwandle wafika lo muntu la engikhona megafika asiplananga ke ukuthi isikhathi singakanani. We just agreed nje on one night and sathi lo one night will lead us into seeing if we continue with the whole weekend ngoba vele lo one night wawu Friday. Uthi wafika uFriday wafika umuntu wafika nami ngitholile indawo ngazitholela nje iAirbnb affordable eduze kwala engihlala ngakhona. Wafika umuntu ngahamba ngawumlande airport kwamnandi kanje saphuma sayodla out fine, wayikhokhela idina leyo yalo Friday afternoon efike ngayo sadla ngoba mnandi kwaba nje and uthi before makazofika kumina on that whole day emini wayeloko umuntu eloke ekhalaza ngokuthi une stress ngoba he was expecting 80k from one of the traders okwakufanele from one of the traders owamthengisa bathini bathi mangabe igolide meselifikile baneyindawo la belistorisha khona storeroom somewhere. So from one of the traders igolide selifikile lihlele store room and umuntu lo osekufanele akhiphe imali ukuthi kukhishwe imali yase store room kukhishwe nemali ye stock ebese thola iprofit yakhe then bese ukuthi lo deal iphelile. So uthi wayelo ke mbelesela ukuthi hayi unenkinga lana one of his clients has been promising to pay him 80k kwathini and this client ayikhokhi and uze wayitshela le client ukuthi at least ke ayimnikeze 40k so that azokwazi ukukhokhela istorage sase la kubekwe khona igolide ngoba istorage is quite expensive and it's been almost 2 weeks igolide lelo lafika lihlaliswe lapha storage. So manje lo oyiclient akasakhokhi akasazi ukuthi enze njani. So uthi wayelo ke ngixoxela leso story ke ewumuntu ona some bit of a frustration, hence saze savumelana ngokuthi okay fine ngoba uthi une frustration financially kusho ukuthi wena ke mina ke it's fine ngiyavuma ukuthi ngizoyikhokhela accommodation wena zifikeleke ke la ngikhona mengabe ku sisters uthi wayese Cape Town. Umlisa ke yena eseGoli uthi waflyer ke wasuka eGoli weza ke eCape Town bekafika ke eCape Town hayi kwabamnandi ke wamlanda eairport mabaqeda ukucabuzana ke oma high nayo yonke into ke kwayinto emnandi nje ukuthi vele kuyolaliwa ngoba vele uthi wazifikela ngeflight sasebusuku eyafika ngabo something after 8 already, so there wasn't much that they could do as in an activity. So wasekuvele ukuthi nje bayolala uthi hayi bahambe ke bayolala ke uma befika la ekulaleni uthi indoda loke ibitoza icomplain ukuthi stress and loke ihlele efonini khuluma nabantu buyikhuluma language engayi understand vele obviously ke phela ke kusho ukuthi ukhuluma ama language akhe awaziyo ke uthi ubhizi uyakhuluma and njalo makaqeda ukudrop ifone uyamchazela ukuthi hayi bengikhuluma nobani manje hayi bengikhuluma nobani hayi bengizama ukuthi uzibani ngidinga nomthe 20,000 it's another client of mine that is reliable. I was asking this client if he can give me 20,000 ngizomnika leli golide uthi nje kuloke kunalo so story nje uthi kuloke kunalo so story up to a point ngize ngehle mina ngihambe ngiye reception yala kule ndawo esihleli kuyona because le ndawo esihleli kuyona ine something like a bar on the other side. Uthi ngibhorekile ngihleli nomuntu but sengibhorekile and bekumnandi siloke sixoxa sishetha and manje akusekho mnandi because ungifikela nezinkinga zemali and not just imadlana izizumbulu zemali engaka. Uthi ngehle ngiye kuleya ndawo mangifika kuleya ndawo ngifike nje ngiyibambele ilokhunjana ama ipack yamasayira ngikhuphuke ngiphindele na ngithi phela bekabhize efonini yena angimazi ukuthi uphuzani. Uthi ngiphindele naye eroomini mangifika eroomini athi hawu mina ngiphatheleni ngithi mina I don't know ukuthi I didn't know ukuthi ngiphatheleni ngoba phela wena uyubhizi nefone. Uthi amtshele ukuthi akamthengela ama Windhoek uthi hayi uthe eqeda nje ukuthi ngithi ama Windhoek wayebamba ifone futhi again hayi ngihambe la ngempela ngifike ngimlandele i6 pack yakhe ama Windhoek ngibuye na ngithi iqithi ngimnikeze ngize ngithenge nama ice lapha ngicela nebhakede ezansi sebasifakele hayi ke sihleli ke siyaphuza isikhathi siyahamba umuntu ubhizi uhlele efonini uthi vele ngikhumule ngene ebathroom ngigeze ngiyirelaxele nje ngihlale futhi ebathroom uthi azangimemeza hayibo kanti uhlele ebathroom awusaqede yini uthi ngiphumeke uthi mangiphuma ke naye angene ebathroom ahamba uthi ngesikhathi ngene uthi indawo ababeleleni ineshower netap uthi mina ngangena kwitap after a few minutes mangiqeda ukungena kwitap yena wangena kwishower wathi nje shushu waqeda waphuma mina ngihlalele ngirelaxile kwitap up until azangimemeza sayibo kanti akusaphunywa yini ukuthi ngiphume ngesikhathi engiphuma ngaso hayi nami ngathi mengiphuma ke emalwandle ngamfica nje akabhince ethawula nje umuntu uzirelaxele phezulu kompethu uselele ngomqolo usezinikile urelaxile upholile uthi ngayibona wemalwandle uthi malwandle ngicela ukunichazela ngoba ngazi ukuthi usisters lo oqala umnax akayichazanga kahle lento ayibona ukuthi ayinjani. Uthi malwandle uyayazi ianaconda into emnyama thotho ianaconda malandle uthi ngikhuluma ngento enesigqebhe sekhanda elingaka ikhanda malwandle uze washutha ngisho uze wafaka ngisho isithombe seanaconda uthi isigqebhe isento enekhanda lengange anaconda uthi malwandle ikhanda lakho ikhanda nje lale yanto layo umuntu ulilodwa mhlawumbe lu plus or minus 7 to 8 centimeters angikaze ngiyibone into enjeya. Uthi ibisiba nefika emva kwekhanda meqeda ukuba nefika ibisingathi iyakhuluphala uthi malandle uke wayibona lento ekuthiwa isigabe angazi ukuthi isizulu sakho sidip kangakanani malandle kodwa uyayibona lento ekuthiwa isigabe ke if ungasazi isigabe ukuthi yini isigabe mengabe utshaliwe imfino yeyintanga emakhaya makutshalwa ithanga. Before ithanga elikhulu lishintsha umbala liba green liba yellow livuthwa liba ithanga liqale libe isigabe. Uthi malwandle ngiyayibona lento ithema isuka from lapha ifront le ikhinqi le yavele iyashintsha yaba neshape engathi isigabe yakhuluphala. Uthi malwandle yinde lento inkulu engathi anaconda. Uthi kwayibona ingane ye 2 year old ingalo ye 2 year old echapi ingalo ye 2 year old efideke kahle efresh. Uthi ngako ke mano uthi uyabona ngisho eyendlovu angiboni ukuthi ngako. Uthi ibisithi mangabe isinjalo lalela ngithe ikhanda lakhona it's plus or minus 8 to 10 centimeters. Ibisi zoba neshape engathi isigabe engathi yakhuluphala. Ibisi yasuka ke lapho. Ibisi zothi mase ifika lapho la kufanele ngabe iyaphela khona kuqala khona amazambane. Ivele iluleka ibe inde bisi iyagoba engathi sikela. Uthi hey malwandle into engayibona ke mina leyo. Yinto engayibona mina leyo. Uthi ngabuya ngazohlala eduze kwakhe ngazoyiscrutinize ngathi le ngifuna ukuyibuka futhi ngangifisa ngisho ukuthatha ngisho ivideo nezithombe ngithatha ufakazi ngoba ngangiqala ukubona into enjeyaya. Uthi ngabuya ngazohlala eduze kwakhe ngazoyibuka kahle lento. Wathi what you are admiring? Yes, continue admiring my dear. Uthi ayike uya admirisha ke ubuya bangisicefa abafone ke. Uthi ngathi lalela ke awubeke phansi ifone ke manje sikhulume ngalento engiyibona la kwena. Sikhulume ngalento engiyibona la kwena. Yini le ngiyibona la kwena? Ngichazele kahle ukuthi yini le? Yinto yomuntu ephilayo le nje. Injani lento uyenzeni wayifakani uyifuthe ngani? Ongichazele kwenzakalani ngifuna ukwazi. Uthi avela ngihleka ngathi my dear this is my body I'm like this I was born like this I did not enlarge it. It's just grew like this. Uthi ngithi mina hayi ngiyezwa. Uthi manje ubulala kanjani abantu besifazane into nje kwaphela mina le mina izongenaphi. Uthi let's try and see I'll show you ukuthi ngidlala kanjani abantu besifazane. Uthi ngathi hayi ngizoke ngibone namhlanje I will explore uma ukuthi ngizovuka esibhedlela nezish it's fine. Kodwa ngofa ngizwile. Uthi malwandle la sathi siyazama khona wakhipha ke lubricant wakhipha izinto wakhipha izinto ezisprayayo ezinjani zokuthi kuthambe kube njani. Uthi hayi ke shem hayi ke mekukhulunywa ngomcabuzo hayi ke umcabuzo uyawushaya ke shem nolimi lakhe lenza izinto zenzeke ngempela ngoba ngagcina ngikhohliwe ukuthi kambe bengibona into engakanani. Kodwa ke ekungeneni kwayo number 1 le yanto yahlula icondom. Sayifake yokuqala icondom yaqashuka hlephuka icondom. Eyesibili icondom yangena kwakuyaphelela nje lapha yakulo 8 cm lo wekhanda. Kwacaca ukuthi iphelele lapho futhi ngeke isadlula. Iphelele lapho futhi ngeke isadlula and lapho uziphathele nawo usize wakhona ngangiqala ukuthi kanti khona extra large wamakhondom. Uthi ngawabona kuyena nami ngangiziphathela wami kodwa kwacaca ukuthi hayi le Lovers Plus yami ngiyiphethe it won't do anything because lo muntu lo uphethe into engajwayelekile. Hayi uphethe lendlovu straight. Uthi wemalwandle sathi masithi siyazama. Uthi wayeloke incinga kancane aqala iroundise ngaphandle athi methu uyayifaka hayi kucaca ukuthi hayi ivele ibhajwe nje straight. Uthi yazi vele ingangeni. Uthi athi methu lo ezama uyayiphusha ayibo kucaca ukuthi ayingeni. Uthi mhlambe kwagcina kungena uphiso omngaka. Uthi ngamuzwa ethi hey South African woman. Uthi ngathi what's wrong with South African woman? Lento yakho uyayibona ukuthi ingakanani. Ngathi lalela ke ndoda hayi sengiright futhi mina manje asiyeke lento ngoba ngizolimala la yingozi lo ngilethele yona wena. Asizame nje enye indlela yokujabulisana and call it a night ngoba hayi. Uthi hayi ke kwaphelela lapho. Ekungiskemeni kwakhe ke uthi wayeloke belesele uthe esuka lapho wathi akamtholi umuntu ozomnika le mali ayifunayo. Mina nginayo yini noma imalini noma 10,000 noma 15,000 engamnika yona ayovala isikoloto lapha storeroom because i-storeroom i-warehouse la ibeka khona lezi zinto bayaloke bamfonela bambelesela bamfuna imali. Uthi hayi ngabona lapho ukuthi ziningi inkingo ongizela nazo. Number 1 unento engangeyendlovu. Number 2 ukhuluma ngemali day 1 nje ubusuku bokuqala ngina ukhuluma ngemali hayi ngezimadlana izizumbulu zezimali and is even promising ukuthi le mali uzoyirefunda as soon as leya client ikhokha. But how do you know ukuthi leya client izokhokha njengoba isihlule ukukhokha for almost 2-3 weeks ekhala ukuthi istomali ase storage yakhuphuka. Uthi ngabona lapho ekseni nje sathi masihlukana ngamthatha ngayomdrop e-airport. Uthi lalela mangiqeda ukumdrop e-airport umuntu wakhona useyashodelwa imali yeticket. uthi uMalandla angikaze ngiyikhiphe imali ngiyikhiphela ukususa isicefe eduze kwami that day ngayikhipha ngaphela manje is showing me u300 uloke ngibelesela ungitshela ngale story ungitshela ukuthi imali yakhe iyashoda because ebekaloke ethembe le mali lo muntu kwayizolo bethe uzomnika so nje bene show by the time eza kuyena uzoza kuyena right financially so manje akwenzeka ngakufanele kwenzakaleni and sengiyabona ukuthi uma ngikuthi angimgcwaliseli ukuthi aphinde emuva ngizoba senkingeni ukuthi kuzofanele ngiphinde ngizame indlela yokuthi athole indlela yokulala uzolala ngiphi nobani ngani le engaka ezongilimaza mina ezongihlekeza amanyonga never uthi ngabuza ukuthi unamalini ukuthi wakhipha wallet wangikhombisa u300 uthi sangena ngaphakathi e-airport masingena ngaphakathi uthi uyazi ukuthi mangabe i-flight usuyibhukha manje it's always expensive uthi safika sacinga earliest flight awekho ama earliest flight well ngathi ke mina kusho ukuthi you'll have to take a late flight because it's the only flight that looks like it's reasonable at least it's around 1.2 lawa amanye ko 2 point something imagine umuntu usuka Cape Town to Joburg and bayibhukha sebeyibhukha manje uthi Malwandle ngathi letha la lo 300 rand ukuthi ngaswapha sengiswaphela ukuthi ngimsuse eduze kwami ngoba ngibonile ukuthi ziningi inkinga ezanazo lo muntu and mina I am not gonna be the bearer of those problems. Hayi angazi wake wahlangabezana nenkinga efana nale omnax abadibene na awusixoxele siyafuna ukizwa futhi noma ngabe kwakuwuthinda noma ngabe kwakuwumuntu nje ohlangane naye nashelana kwamnandi kanje siyafuna ukizwa ngoba engazi ukuthi ziya ngokushuba lezi story lezi sina lalela kamduze silindaba kamduze sihleke uyazi ke zala ekhaya indaba ziyakhulisa ziyakhaze ziyamotivate ukumnandi nje akube mnandi like lapho comment lapho subscribe lapho ngiyakuthanda love me like you do